That's the train. You used to be able to hear it, but they've tuned it up. It's possible people complain. They're like, "Why is it so weird and quiet?" And that's not why I can hear it better. It seriously sounds differently. My brother noticed it one other time when it was dead, when they had a lull in their craziness with the planes, and I feel like they turn it up. I know it's at the same time, so it would be like, "Oh yeah, well you just hear it better," but I don't know. They adjust the volume on the helicopters and the planes and tune them. Doesn't that sound a little weird? It's different. It's weird to me.